Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana ba'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan? Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Kung naman sa ni Capricorn ay 3 of air. Ayan. So there could be great sadness dito na nararamdaman or nararanasan si Capricorn. So, maaaring tapos na to, no? Definitely tapos na to na sadness ninyo na ito. Kung ano man ang nangyari dito, that is already done, that's in the past. Pero ngayon siguro, alam mo yun, meron pang lungkot, meron pang konting lungkot dito. It's because maybe hindi pa kayo nakaka-move on totally from this situation. So, this is a reminder for you na just, take your time, Capricorn, no? There's no need to rush para sa healing because truly yung healing really needs time, diba? It takes time to heal, ika nga. It's a process na kailangan pagdaanan, hindi ba? Hindi ito nabibigla, yung pag-heal from kung anumang sugat na yan. Hindi yan minamadali. Hindi natin kailangan madaliin, diba? Kaya, take your time. No? Pasasaan ba't mararamdaman din ninyo yung healing, mararanasan din ninyo yung healing. You will come to a point na magaan na sa inyong pakiramdam. You will be able to accept na what happened, yung ganon. And, maaari lang din na sa ngayon, patawarin nyo na din ang inyong sarili, no? Maaring ang iba sa inyo dito is being so hard on yourself, no? Maaring kung ano man ang nangyari in the past na ikinalungkot ninyo or nagdulot sa inyo ng sobrang lungkot, maybe you are blaming yourself for that, no? So, don't be too hard on yourself kasi alalahanin ninyo maraming bagay ang nangyayari na beyond our control din. So, maaaring kung ano man itong pangyayaring ito na nagdulot sa inyo ng sobrang kalungkutan, maybe it's also beyond your control. Wala kayong nagawa dito dahil depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Maaaring nag-unfold na lang yan ng mabilisan, hindi kayo nakapag-keep up with making decision dyan sa bagay na yan. So, posibleng ganun din na nangyari. Kaya, wag ninyong pahirapan ang inyong sarili. Okay? Don't be too hard on yourself. Alright? So, you may need to forgive yourself for doing that, or maybe you also need to forgive na other people so that you can slowly move on, no? From this situation. So, what else? We have Queen of Earth. This is a beautiful energy. This is abundant and prosperous energy, and at the same time, very nurturing energy. So, in terms of abundance and prosperity, there could be opportunities dito na parating sa buhay ninyo, Capricorn, that is going to bring forth financial prosperity and abundance. So, maaaring may mga financial opportunities dito na parating sa inyo, okay? Maaari din na you are taking care of someone in the family. Maaaring you're taking care of a parent or parents or children or kung sino man sa pamilya. Maaaring ganun din ang ganap ng iba sa inyo. Posible din ang trabaho ninyo is caregiving, no? Maaaring nasa medical field din kayo. You are taking care of the people na lumalapit sa inyo, nagpapagamot, maaaring ganon, nagpapatherapy, something like that. Or maybe you are a caregiver talaga. No, maaaring yan ang inyong trabaho. You are taking care of elders, you are taking care of children, maaaring ganon ang ganap dito for some of you. So what else? We have 5 of fire. Ayan. So this is conflict. No, this is conflict. This could be hindi pagkakaintindihan with another group of people or with a person. So whatever that is, maybe hindi kayo nag-agree on the same subject, hindi kayo nag-agree on something, no? Maaring ganun ang ganap dyan. Kaya ganyan ang nararamdaman ng iba sa inyo sa ngayon. Parang uneasy kayo, hindi kayo mapakali, maaaring ganun because maybe hindi kayo sanay na mayroon kayong hindi pagkakaintindihan with another person. Maybe hindi kayo sanay na wala kayong agreement with another person. Maaaring ganun ang ganap. But this is 5, no? So 5 resonates with change, kaya definitely your situation is going to change, your situation is going to improve. Okay? So, what else? We have Page of Earth. Ayan. So, dito naman sa Page of Earth, You know, this is a good news coming in sa buhay ninyo that could be related to your money, career, and finances. Okay? Maaring meron dito magagandang balitang parating regarding loans. Maaring marirelease na ang inyong loan or nakuha nyo na yung loan. Maaring nagbenta kayo dito ng property at maaring makukuha nyo na yung pera na yung proceeds kumbaga ng pinagbentahan ninyo. Maaring ganun din ang ganap. Maaari din na meron kayong mga bonus dito na natanggap or financial reward. That is also possible. Maaari din na meron ditong financial opportunity na parating, no? Bagong trabaho, career opportunity, business opportunity, that is also possible. Maaari din na merong grant, study grant dito na maibigay na sa inyo, Capricorn, kung siguro nag-apply kayo ng study grant, no? Maaring ganon din ang ganap. So, good luck. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Kung naman sa hindi Virgo, ay 8 of water. So this is really a beautiful energy, Virgo, because there is a new beginning energy dito, no? There's new beginning energy. Meron ditong iiwanan kayo and you're heading towards something new. You're heading towards a new path dito sa buhay ninyo. So you are moving on from something dito dahil hindi na yan nagsiserve ng iyong highest good. Kung ano man ang iiwanan ninyo dito, that is not for you anymore. There's nothing there for you anymore. Kaya you are searching for something new, a different avenue wherein your life will be more meaningful. Yung mga gagawin ninyo dito is merong more sense, kumbaga, or mas magiging productive kayo dito, mas makakatulong kayo sa mas maraming tao, yung mga ganon ba, no? So, yun ang patutunguhan ni Virgo sa ngayon. So, what else? We have Two of Earth, Virgo. This is, yung parang you are juggling too many things dito. Maaring, dahil this is Earth energy. So, maaring you are juggling between two opportunities, financial opportunities, or maybe you are multitasking, maaring ganon, maaring marami kayong trabaho, maaring mas marami kayong ginagawang pagkakakitaan, source of income, yung mga ganon ba, no? So, you're doing too much. Kumbaga, you're doing too much sa ngayon. Maybe you have too much on your plate na talaga namang yung oras ninyo maaring nag-overlap. Alam mo yun, yung mga ginagawa ninyo, maaring ganon ang ganap dito for some of you, Virgo. But, napakagaling ninyo sa pagmumultitask. Napakagaling ninyong mag-manage ng inyong oras. Kaya, there could be no problem dito for you. But, you may just need to bring the balance back in your life para mas maging smooth sailing ang lahat. At may panahon din kayo para sa sarili ninyo. Okay? So, what else? We have Justice energy. Really beautiful. Order will be back in your life dito. Kaya naman dito sa Two of Earth, there is asking you for balance, no, of your situation, of your mga ginagawa. And dito sa Justice energy, you are getting what you deserve dito, no? Kaya kailangan mong ibalik din ang order sa buhay ninyo. Ayusin ang kalakaran or yung pagmamanage ninyo ng kung ano-ano sa buhay ninyo, okay? Do what is right, do what is necessary, yung bang ganon. Kaya magiging eventually maayos ninyo dito ang inyong sitwasyon. Kung ano man ang mga pinagkakaabalahan ninyo dito, mas magiging organized na siguro kayo, no? Siguro mas magiging maayos na ngayon ang pagpapalakad ninyo ng mga bagay-bagay or mga pinagkakaabalahan ninyo sa buhay, yung ganon ba, no? So good luck to that. Virgo, we have Page of Earth. This is beautiful energy, wonderful news may be coming in dito that will be related naman sa inyong money, career, and finances. No, Virgo, dito sa Page of Earth, maaaring merong good news dito na magagaling sa mga bangko, may mga financial institution kasi maaaring nag-a-apply kayo ng loan, maaaring para sa pag-study yan, maaaring study grant, or maaaring student loan, or maaaring mga loan para sa pagkakapital sa negosyo. That is also possible. Okay? This could be news regarding financial opportunities like job offer, career or business offer, opportunities para sa inyo. So, posible din yan. For others of you, maaaring meron din kayong binibentang property dito or lupa. So, maaaring at this time, makuha nyo na din yung proceeds niyan, yung perang pinagbentahan ninyo, yung gano'n, maaaring ma-receive nyo na yan sa ngayon. Posible din na kayo yung bibili ng property. You know, maaaring meron kayong offer na binibigay at maaaring posible ito na kayo yung mabigyan ng property na yan, kayo yung sa inyo ma-award, no, yung property na yan, kasi maaaring dumaan kayo dito sa bidding or dadaan kayo sa bidding, maaaring ganon. So good luck, Virgo, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po yung nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pauna mensahe ni Taurus ay 4 of Water. Ayan. So, sa 4 of Water dito, Taurus, maaaring meron kayo ditong boredom, discontentment na nararamdaman. Maaring this is due to a previous situation sa buhay ninyo wherein siguro meron kayong ginusto na hindi nangyari, or maaring meron kayong na-miss na opportunity, kaya maaring nadismaya kayo, no, sa sitwasyon na yan, kaya para ngayon nawalan kayo ng gana, no? But 4 of Water is telling you na merong opportunity na nandyan sa inyong paligid. There could be a new opportunity and possibility that is knocking on your door sa ngayon. Kaya open your eyes, no? Open your eyes to these new possibilities, no, Taurus? Nang sa gayon, maano ninyo to, makuha ninyo ito and makonsider ninyo before you totally ignore or before you totally disregard whatever this is. Okay, Taurus? So, what else? We have 4 of Air. Ayan. So, meron na tayong dalawang 4. We have 4 of Water and 4 of Air. So, this is definitely synchronicity dito, Taurus. So, I suggest please look up for the meaning of number 44 for more guidance po. Okay? So, 4 of Air, Taurus, maaaring pagod na kayo. You may be very tired na, exhausted na kayo. Maybe physically, emotionally, mentally, exhausted na kayo. Kaya, iniimbitahan kayo dito ng spirit na magpahinga kayo. Give it to yourself na makapagpahinga kayo, makapag-reflection mode kayo, pahinga kayo, makapag-chill, makapagbakasyon, yung gano'n, ano? Dahil, deserve mo din, diba, na mag-recharge ka. Deserve mo din na makapag-recuperate ka, ano? Makapag-rejuvenate, Taurus. So, give it to yourself. Maaari din ang imbitasyon na to for you na magpahinga ka. It's because you may need to do some kind of reflection. You may need to do some kind of introspection dahil siguro maaaring may mga importanteng decision kayo na kailangan gawin ngayon, at kailangan ninyo na pagmuni-munihan ang inyong sitwasyon. Kailangan ninyo na tignan maigi kung ano ang mga kaganapan sa buhay ninyo, no? So maaaring gano'n ang sitwasyon dito for some of you, Taurus. So kailangan mo tong ibalato nyo to sa sarili ninyo dahil kayo din naman ang makikinabang, kumbaga, no, kapag maganda ang inyong pakiramdam, nakapag-rejuvenate kayo, nakapag-recuperate kayo, mas magiging productive kayo, mas makakapag-focus kayo, mas makakapag-isip kayo na maganda, at mas magiging maluwag din ang inyong pakiramdam. So give it to yourself, okay? We have 6 of Air. This is beautiful energy kasi You are moving on dito sa buhay ninyo. You are moving on na nanggagaling kayo dito sa isang siguro difficult situation and you are moving towards happiness. You are moving towards peace, harmony, new opportunities, maliwanag, bagong buhay, bagong pag-asa. No, that is where you are heading towards. Kaya napakaganda nito na isang malaking desisyon ito. Maaring ito yung pinag-iisipan ninyo sa ngayon, hindi ba? Maaring kaya kayo napapagod dito because of this situation. You may be stressed out, physically, mentally, emotionally stressed out kayo. Kaya pinagpapahinga kayo dito, no? Para maging handa kayo sa pag-move on ninyo. Because this is not just moving on mentally and emotionally, but also physically, no? You are going to remove yourself physically from this unhealthy situation, no? This is the end of this difficult situation. Tutuldukan mo na to. Kaya siguro nahihirapan kayong mag-isip, nahihirapan kayong magdiskarte. It's because, syempre, you know, kahit papano na-attach kayo dito sa kung ano man ang sitwasyon na to. At na-attach kayo dyan emotionally. Kaya medyo mahirap talagang mag-desisyon na totally iwanan mo na yan. But, yun ang mamamayani sa inyo, Taurus. You are going to definitely decide na iwanan na ang sitwasyon na to because hindi na to nakakabuti sa inyo. No? This is not for your best interest anymore. Kaya makikita nyo din ang sitwasyon na yan. Mararamdaman ninyo yan. That's why you're going to decide to leave whatever the situation is. For others of you, Taurus, this could be travel energy. No? Maaaring ang iba sa inyo is going to travel over water, by land, by air. Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. But definitely, there is relocation dito na magaganap for some of you. We have Ten of Earth, beautiful energy, beautiful energy. This is happy family, no? Happy family. Magkakaroon kayo dito ng masayang pakiramdam. It's because napoprovide na ni Taurus dito kung ano ang pangangailangan ng pamilya, no? Maaari din na nandun na kayo sa puntong financially secured na kayo, financially established na kayo, kaya masaya na kayo sa ngayon na napoprovide na ninyo ang mga pangangailangan ng inyong pamilya. Hindi lang yung sa ngayon, but also you can provide the needs of the family for the long term. So, maaaring ganon din ang ganap dito for some of you. So, good luck, Taurus, and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.